welcome to another episode of Learn with Mayat video. And today we will be diving into biochemistry, and our topic is all about carbohydrates, its hormonal control and significance to the human physiology. So first, what is carbohydrates? Carbohydrates is the major energy source of the human body. We get it from the food we take together with the amino acids and fats. So your body breaks down carbohydrates into glucose. Glucose, or the blood sugar, is the main source of energy in your body cells, tissues, and organs. Glucose can be used immediately or stored in the liver and muscles for later use. So there are two main factors in the hormonal control of carbohydrates: the insulin and glucagon. The pancreas secretes insulin and glucagon. Both hormone works in balance to play a vital role in regulating blood sugar levels. If the level of one hormone is higher or lower than the ideal range, blood sugar levels may spike or drop. Together, insulin and glucagon help maintain a state called homeostasis, in which conditions inside the body remain steady. When blood sugar is too high, the pancreas secretes more insulin. When blood sugar levels drop, the pancreas releases glucagon to raise them. This balance helps provide sufficient energy to the cells while preventing the nerve damage that can result from consistently high levels of blood sugar. So how does insulin work? The cells need glucose for energy, right? However, most of them are unable to use glucose without the help of insulin. Insulin gives glucose access to the cells. It attaches to the insulin receptors on cells throughout the body, instructing the cells to open up and grant entry to glucose. Low levels of insulin constantly circulate throughout the body. A spike in insulin signals to the liver that blood glucose is also high. The liver absorbs glucose, then changes it into a storage molecule called glycogen. So now, let's go to the glucagon. How does glucagon work? The liver stores glucose to power the cells during periods of low blood sugar. Skipping meals and poor nutrition can lower blood sugar. By storing glucose, the liver makes sure that blood glucose levels remain steady between meals and during sleep. When blood glucose falls, cells in the pancreas secretes glucagon. Glucagon instructs the liver to convert glycogen to glucose, making glucose more available in the bloodstream. Insulin and glucagon works in a cycle. Glucagon interacts with the liver to increase blood sugar, while insulin reduces blood sugar by helping the cells use glucose. The appropriate functions of the body are dependent on precise control of the glucose concentration in the blood. A condition called hyperglycemia results if the concentration of glucose in blood is too high. When the concentration of glucose is too low, the condition is called hypoglycemia. Hypoglycemia is characterized by general weakness, trembling, headache, profuse perspiration, drowsiness, rapid heartbeat, and possible loss of consciousness. In insulin deprivation, diabetes mellitus is a relatively common disorder resulting from destruction of the cells that release insulin or from lack of response by the tissues to insulin. The absence of insulin action results in a condition that is similar to starvation. The liver then works very hard to produce glucose to release into circulation. The net effect is a dramatic increase in plasma glucose concentration because the liver is releasing glucose while the other tissues are not taking up glucose and are performing reduced levels of glycolysis. Cells of the body require nutrients in order to function, and these nutrients are obtained through feeding. Let us take proper amount of food so that we will not disturb the process that is happening in our human body. It's 5 minutes. See you on the next video. Bye!